Backswamp Creek off of Luther Banks Road, getting ready to check on the crews and see how much progress they've made. I can tell just right here that we could drop the water down quite a bit once we get the debris and the beaver dams out. Got a current beaver dam just over my shoulder. Probably drop the water a good 1.5 to 2 feet if we could get that beaver dam taken out, along with any other snags or brush that might be in the water. We are working on 46,000 feet of backswamp. To my knowledge, backswamp hadn't been cleaned out in 20 years, just talking to the residents in the area. And then when we get the Squires run in Richlands, it's going to be another 22,000 feet. We've still got some money that has not yet been allocated, some additional funds. And there's opportunity if other counties don't use their funds in a timely manner, that pot of money may be opened back up to get some more. So we are going to be working in the next couple of months to try to identify some other areas that need some attention with the money we have. Anytime you got stagnant standing water, you've got mosquito habitat, and we're trying to cut down on mosquitoes. And you know, if we get major hurricanes or storms, the creeks are lodged up and dammed up. It's just going to create more flooding, and we're trying to mitigate flooding, mitigate mosquitoes, and make sure everybody can stay safe. Anytime you see water that's not really moving, stagnant water, it means it's usually blocked up somewhere. You see a lot of aquatic vegetation. If water is flowing and moving, it's got less of a chance to take hold. So anytime we see something like that, we know there's a blockage at some point. We're doing this, providing a service for the citizens of Onslow County using grant funds that we got from the state. Everybody seems to be excited that we're going to be doing this work and getting all this debris cleaned up for them.